Hey YouTube scrappers, just out here cleaning up some aluminum storm doors and getting some extrude. There's some old sheet I gotta take in today. I'll do a what it weighs, what it pays today, and found 3 stainless steel sinks. Get those cleaned up. Things are coming, slowly but coming. We got some old sheet aluminum over here, some black stuff. I think it's aluminum. I gotta get a magnet. Some more here. Just cleaning up around the yard. So hope everybody's having a good day. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll catch you in the next one.